So we're on the rapids.
Yay, let's go, Yumi.
Ah. Oo, sige. Okay. Yoo! Ay, nag-enjoy na si Cassie. Cassie! Hi! Amber, meron dyan ano, wag mo lang ihihilain si ano, mag-float lang kayong dalawa. Kailangan si Cassie. Wait lang, wait lang. Wait lang. Oh, malalim yan. Malalim.
Ito mo? Diba natin na-fight niya si Mami? May malalim doon. You're not falling. See, we're floating.
Asan na si Be?
Ayun.
Yay!
Kasi kasi nga, kalmang-kalma ka.
Enjoy na enjoy!
See, Mami floating. Can we float together? No.
Ano, tawag nito, Yumi, come kay tita. You don't need to touch Mami, come. Come to tita, you are floating because you're wearing a life vest. Oh, come. Come, Yumi. Come, Yumi. Come, go to tita Bell. Let go, baby. Let go. Hayaan mo siya, okay. Yes, just like that.
I'm floating. Look.
Oh, see, you're floating, Yumi.
Daddy's floating.
Yay!
Good job. Tahimik lang siya.
It's okay.
Itaas. Warm naman yung water kaya Ha? Wow! Cassie, you're in the video. Wow, Cassie.
Oh, you're walking.
Yeah, you're floating. You lay down. It's okay. It's okay. That is it. That is here.
Okay.